Dear students, now let me discuss about motion of a liquid column or the oscillation of a liquid column. So the motion is actually oscillatory motion. Okay, initially the level of the liquid in this tube was same, and the area of cross section of the tube is uniform. And let me take the area of cross section is area of cross section is equals to A. Okay, so let me take it as area of cross section as A. Okay, now if the liquid is depressed by x in one limb, then it will arise of the same height through the tube. Okay, there is x. When you depressed here x, the rising of the liquid in this column will also be x. So there will be a pressure difference due to the height difference with respect to the other, because when we talk about this x, the vertical height difference will arise over here. Okay, let me say this as h1. Similarly, this as h2. Okay, so height difference will arise, and due to height difference there will be a pressure difference, and due to this pressure difference a restoring force will come, and due to the restoring force the liquid column will be oscillated. Okay, so to find out the time period of this oscillation, let me first calculate the restoring force. Okay, so here the pressure difference is, what is the pressure difference due to the height? Okay, so you can say pressure difference that is delta P is equals to, we know that rho g into h1 plus h2. Okay, total height h1 plus h2. But here one more thing is that the relation between h1, h2 and x, here given x and theta 1, theta 2 only. Okay, so we have to find out h1 and h2 in terms of x and theta 1, theta 2. Okay, so if we talk about this triangle, then we will get the result. Okay, so as this is theta 1, so this will also be theta 1. Okay, so I can take another figure over here. So this is the thing actually. So this is x and this is theta 1. Okay, so this is h1, theta 1, this is h1. So h1 will be x sin theta 1. Similarly we will get h2. Okay, so h2 will be x sin theta 2. So what will be delta P? So now delta P will be rho g, if we take common x, then it will be sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. And now as the area of cross section is A, so the restoring force F will be restoring force. So F will be, it will always be negative, so delta P into A, so it will be minus rho g A sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 into x. So this is the restoring force, and if the force is equals to mass into acceleration, then it will be ma is equals to minus rho g A into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 into x. So what will be the acceleration? Acceleration will be minus rho g A sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 divided by m into x. Okay, this will be the acceleration. Now if we compare this equation with a equals to minus omega square x, these are equation 1 and this is equation 2, then we will get that omega square is equals to this. rho GA into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 divided by m. So what will be the omega? Omega will be square root of this, and we know omega is nothing but 2 pi by t, so that will be rho GA sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 divided by m. And what will be t? So t will be 2 pi root over m divided by rho GA into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. This will be the time period of this oscillating liquid column. Okay. Now if we want to know the time period for the U tube, okay, the shape of this tube will be U shaped, then what will be thing? For U shape, let me take like this. Okay, like this. In that case, this angles theta 1 and theta 2, this angles theta 1 and theta 2 will be 90 degree. Okay, so here also this theta 1 and theta 2 will be almost 90 degree. Okay, this will be almost 90 degree. This will be almost 90 degree. Okay, if we take this as very small, the contact surface is very small, then this will be theta 1, theta 2 will be almost 90 degree. So we can substitute for U tube here. Theta 1 is equals to theta 2 is equals to pi by 2, and if we take this length as L, so this length will also be L, and the density of the liquid is rho. Okay, so what will be the mass? Mass will be what? Rho AL. Okay, volume into density, so it will be rho AL, and for two sides it will be 2 rho AL. So if we substitute these values, then what will be T? So T will be 2 pi root 2 rho AL divided by, here sin 90 plus sin 90 will be 1 plus 1, that is 2, so 2 rho GA. So A will be cancelled out, rho will be cancelled out, so it will be 2 pi root L by G. So this is our well known expression actually, that T is equals to 2 pi root L by G. This expression is also valid for a similar expression we have already get for simple pendulum. Okay, so this is a very important topic. There is a oscillation of liquid column. Okay, for any shape this result will be valid, like V shaped. Okay, this result will be valid, and for special case, that is for U tube, the expression will be 2 pi root L by G. This is simply depends on L and G, but here the dependency will be more. Okay, theta 1, theta 2, cross section area, and cross section area will always be uniform cross section. It should be uniform cross section. Okay, so thank you.